and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushri, and today I'll be giving you the overview of Vinay Sky by Vinay Unique Group, located at Virar West, Mumbai. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual sales office. So this is the main entrance. Now let me show you the neighborhood. So the road on the left hand side takes you to the Virar station. But before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. In this overview, we'll be discussing the below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So let's start. This project is being developed on 7.5 acres of land parcel featuring 9 towers, basement, ground plus 25 floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located at Gokul Township, Virar West, Mumbai, with D-Mart just 5 minutes walking, Virar railway station 1.2 kilometers and Old River College at just 1.5 kilometers, all school, colleges, hospital in a radius of 1 kilometer. Here you get access 30 plus lifestyle amenities such as kids play area, multi-purpose court, gymnasium, swimming pool and many more. With a carpet area of 1 BHK is 439 square feet, 2 BHK is 580 to 590 square feet and 3 BHK is 885 to 1000 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process. So our token window is now open. Clients are invited to visit our sites. Where our sales team will explain the project details, we share the payment and the pricing scheme. We'll also show you the actual location as well. Then if the clients like the project, they can proceed to the token amount, which is 51,000. So everyone, this was the complete overview of Vinay Sky by Vinay Unique Group, located at Virar West, Mumbai. If you're looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochures and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.